Alrighty, folks. Hello. Sorry. I'm trying to get into my seat right now. Sorry, because I hurt myself. Alright. So, I'm playing on a new account right now because I'm banned on my Roblox. I mean, my VII7 account. My window is open. I think that is messing with the audio right now. Let's turn that up. Alright, sorry. Oh, cause it is open, oh yeah. Alright, I'm gonna be doing some stuff. That's funny, I'm kidding now. Alright, practical jokers, you know? Alright, my dudes. Loading. We are loading. My thing is not working. I am not very happy. I had everything. Now I have nothing. I have everything. I had literally everything in the item shop. Now I have nothing. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm gonna be doing a Roblox, bruh, how much health does this guy have? Why? Sorry, I had to use that feature, you know. Fudge, don't destroy that. That's very valuable. Why did you do that? Literally, just why? No, almost not. That guy's, there's no way, dude. Nope, he's hacking. There's no way. He literally just no-scoped me. Yeah, that guy's hacking. Kill the hacker. No, he's hacking. Oh no, he's not. He just got super lucky, maybe. Oh! I have to dance on him. That was insane. That's insane. We get it! Mate, we get it. Mate, we get it. You land every shot. We don't need proof. Mate! I just got shot. No, this guy's hacking. There's no way. He landed a headshot that far away. He can land a headshot that far away. He's either the best player ever to roam this game, or he's hacking. I swear that guy's hacking. He landed so many headshots in a row, and he's landing impossible shots. Like, bruh. We get it, dude. You have a gun. No, bruh. No, mate. What is that? Waterfall it. Whoop. I'm getting aimbot it. It's the aimbot. He doesn't know I'm here. Maybe if I get lucky. He lost me. Okay. In this game, nobody ever goes into houses. You can spawn like under them. Oh, fudge. That's the... You're hacking. It's the hacker, Mike. It's the hacker, Mike. It's the hacker, Mike. If he knows where Yeah, he's hacking. He's hacking. He's hacking. We have a hacker, guys. Protect me, please. I'm just a little bot. Probably better than you, though. Not gonna lie, I probably am. If he lands a shot all the way from over there, he's hacking. I walked off the edge. I'm sorry you guys have to see that. I walked off the edge, dude. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm gonna be upgrading my setup. Once that's done, I'll post a video in IRL. Blah, 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 blah. Can you not? Can you actually? You're very ugly. Yeah, you're very ugly. Bop. He's the best player in the world, probably. Yeah. Alright, we're on the map, my dudes. Now, if someone can find me here, that's when you know. We got hackers. And I'm on the other side. And I didn't have to go through them. Alright. Guys. You're very ugly. How many does You're very ugly. He's already at 20 kills. And half of them are me, probably. He's killed me like 10 times. Are you even playing the game, dude? One v one me and you'll die. Keeping this guy by my side. Tell me if you want me to make a song. I will. Trust me. I know how to make songs. No, I have not. Kidding, no, I haven't. I made one, totally. I made one. Tell me if you want me to play Fortnite, my dudes. Keep on the server. If this video hits 25 likes, 25 likes and I'll make a song. 25 likes. On the map. Oh. Pleb. Observer, you know I'm the man. I'm getting hacked on. I'm kidding, no I'm not. What is happening? People are just dying. Ready? Hip fire kill. Ready? This AR is actually just so amazing. I literally can't move. I'm glitched. Build around. No, scoping me at like 1 billion ping. I literally, you're very ugly. He's already at 8 kills, bro. There's no way, bro. Oh yeah, comment your Roblox username in the description and you'll be in the description below. If you do, I will, you get free you get Robux maybe. Oh my god. I can see you, moron. You know, people can see you no matter where you are. Especially some people. Especially hackers, I mean. What I meant to say. Oh my god. Dude, he's over there now? Where are you? Pick a place and stick to it. That's what I always say. I'm kidding. Well, yeah, I sometimes do say that because people are annoying, and I really, yes. Oh yeah, by the way, it'll be a 200 Robux giveaway. Try to talk while I'm trying to fight right now. I swear to, like 2 or 3 bullets just went by me. I'm obviously not the worst in the game. Got kill. I have aimbot. It's hitting their feet. It's not even hitting their feet. I'm not even getting 3 on them. I'm getting hit. I'm getting hit. No way, bro. No, that's not your freaking wall, bro. That's not yours. Bruh, that Lucy is annoying. Oh yeah, comment hashtag give our 10, comment hashtag give our 10 account back, cause I got banned for 3 days. Just comment back, cause like, why not? Bing bang bong boing, bing bang bong. They build a wall and he shoots me. There's no way, Mike. There's not why, Mike. Mike, there's not freaking why, Mike. Borber. Are you guys excited for season 2? I mean chapter 2. Comment down below if you're excited for chapter 2. It should be coming soon. It should be coming soon. Should be coming soon. Should be coming soon. It should be coming soon. You want me? Well, guess what? You're getting me, Mike. Mike, you want me? You getting me, Mike. Want me, boy, bringing on the man. Literally didn't even build. Literally didn't build. Literally, it didn't work. Like I was holding down left click and nothing was working. No! What the fuck? You son of a nutcracker! He literally just got one-shotted. That's what you get for picking on the bots. Was that I picking on the bots? Bot. You wanna freaking go, Mate? You wanna freaking go, Mate, what the frick, mate? Where are you? Pick a spot! Oh my god, literally. Alright, this video is about to hit 15 minutes, by the way. BT dubs. Easy dubs. Better than every single person. 1v1 me and you'll die. Literally, bro. Aside from, I am your mom. Birthday chat. What are people saying, like, right now? Honestly, like, that's just my question. Look at you want the smoke. You want the smoke. A boy bringing on the man. The bullet go under me. I don't know if you can't see my hand gestures or anything, but literally, it go under me. The bullet go under me, and I take damage. Alright, guys. I think that's enough.